it's not enough to just have love, because love you can have love for any kind of people, different kinds of love, okay? Especially for the Westerner, they always say I love you. Anyone you can say I love you, but for Chinese, it's really very rare to say love, okay, to say all. But for a couple, surely it's more than just love. It is yan means grace. So for a good relationship, you must show grace to your husband or wife, okay? Because maybe why should in what way a husband can show grace to the wife, and wife show grace to the husband? I don't know the Western way. Maybe in the Chinese way, for example, especially in the past, because the wording, the vocab are made up a long time ago already. It is not a new term nowadays. We use it. Yan or actually use it many thousand years already. So it refer to the Chinese concept yan or. So because in the past, especially for the family, between the couples, there need to be grace, because you know that the husband can marry a lot of wives, right? Can many wives, and then the wife can only have a husband, but maybe she has to respect the husband's parents. She has to take care of the whole family, even the husband's brothers. She has to take care of if he has younger brothers. You know, the sister-in-law have to take care of their brothers-in-law. So this yan, so not just the oil that you show to each other, the yan you show to the whole family. So actually in our concept, a good couple needs to not only oil, must have yan oil, okay? Yeah. So yan is yan典grace, okay? So 咁佢哋咧就好恩愛啦嗱 so that's it. Usually we say 好恩㗎 because you are very you love each other very much. Actually, we also translate to it as love. We don't translate it to you have love and grace to each other. No, we just say, if we translate in English, you also use love. Of course, the couple has mutual love, or or you can say deep love. You can add the deep. Okay, the couple love each other deeply, or they has deep love for each other in that way, okay? But you won't translate into they have grace and love towards each other, no. Yeah. Or you don't say that the couple bless each other and then love each other, no. Won't translate in that way, okay? But in our Chinese concept, this term yan, why don't we just say that 咁佢哋就好愛對方? You can just say 好愛對方啦. But 愛對方咧同恩愛咧you can mean the same, but actually the word itself, actually you can understand the Chinese concept, okay? We seldom say love. And then our love, of course, we can also have a parent love or your love to your family members, right? But when we say to another sex, usually we seldom say to just any girlfriend or boyfriend or even any friend with different sex easily. Oh, I love you. It just means that I have love for you, for mankind. Okay, sorry for Chinese. We don't. Of course, we also have the concept that we should love the mankind. Right? But when we say love to a person, we seldom. Even to husband and wife, we seldom say love. For parents, for children, we seldom say love. So you can understand why the parents seldom say love to the children. That is also the maybe the problem in Chinese family, that the relationship is not close enough between couple, between parents and children. But they never say love. Seldom say love, especially not the younger generation now, okay, because they are under the influence of the Western education. But the Chinese concept, actually, they really seldom say love, okay. So between the couple, not only love, it is 恩愛 ，okay. You can say 佢哋有恩情 佢哋彼此咧對方有恩情，但要相識佢哋有恩㗎，要識佢哋好恩愛。Maybe also a habit yeah not a very strict rule that why we say 有恩情 but we cannot say 有恩愛。but we say 好恩愛咧 maybe already habit and then 好恩愛好 means very much but that means they love each other greatly okay 佢哋有恩情咧that means 如果恩情咧 not only used in couples in certain person if they have grace for each other you can already say 恩情okay no, 恩情 is 恩情 I think is purely grace. If you treat someone with grace, you can also already say that 有恩情。譬如說佢有恩於我，佢對我有恩情。It doesn't mean love between two sexes, okay, or couples.